Today, I'll walk you through how to use choice chips in Glide. If you find this helpful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Glide website. Once there, click on the Login button to access your account. After logging in, open the specific app you want to edit. Now, to add the choice chip component, click the plus sign, Add Component, to bring up the available options. Scroll down the list of components until you find and select Choice. On the right-hand side, you'll see a sidebar where you need to configure the action for your choice chip. Choose the data table column that this chip will interact with. These are typically your column titles like Request, Submitted by, Department, or Status. This tells Glide where to store the selected information. You can also configure the content of your choice chip. Under Source, you'll link it to your data. Then, define the values that users can select from. You can also choose to display images alongside your options and decide how the chips display as list or buttons. Moving on to the Design tab, you have further customization options. Here, you can select the label that appears above the component and choose a style that fits your app's aesthetic. Within the Options section, there are several important settings. You can limit the number of items displayed, choose to make it required so users must make a selection, allow selecting multiple users if needed, and even disable the search bar if you have a small, manageable list of options. Once you've finished configuring everything and have double-checked your settings, look to the top right corner of your screen and click Publish to save your changes. Thanks for watching. If you found this Glide tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step app building guides. See you in the next video.